Tom. You, Tom. Superhero Tom. Please, pass the buildings or avoid the buildings. Finally I played. Wait a second, what happened to you guys? Why are you guys acting like zombies? Are you guys okay? We want bed. We want bed. Bed. Angela and Hank, are you guys alright? You're not Angela and Hank. You're Angela and Zach. Zombies. No, they will never notice. Hide here. Where did he went? I don't know, Zach. Let's go. There you are. Oh no. Oh no. I will hide here. Aha! No, I don't want to. I will hide here. I'm comfortable in here. Wait. Aha! Found you, Tom! Oh no. I can't hide here. Hide under. Oh no! No, you! I'm leaving this place. I'm going to Burger World. I have to hide somewhere quickly in the restroom. Yes. Where did he went? Angela? I don't know, Zach. Let's hide him. What? Up behind you. Are you okay, Angela? Oh, I'm alright, fine. I think I saw his head. Okay. No, I can't see anything. Oh, so let's go find him somewhere else. Wait, where did he go? Anyways, let's go. Alright. Find Tom. Where is he? Oh, so many items in here. But they're too expensive for kids and adults and teenagers. What should we do, Zank? I don't know. Search for him. Search. Oh no. I don't want to sit on the sofa. Or I wish I could. I heard something that screamed like Tom. Right. Oh, where is he? I think I'm not hearing anything. Nowhere. Okay, anyways. I think Tom is hiding somewhere else that is too far away. But let's go, Angela. Let's go. Burger World. This Burger World on 11 p.m. is very nice to sit on sofas. So comfortable to sit on sofas. Come on, it's very late. We woke up at 10 p.m. and now it's 11 p.m. It's too late. Come on, Angela. Sorry, Zank. I really want to stay in this fun burger that has lots of expensive things that we should never buy at 11 p.m. But please, can we go home now? Just search for him. This is a small restaurant. Oh, so who works in here? Becca works in here. But you have to go back to bed and stay in home forever.